Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to propagate lion's mane mushrooms. We will start by preparing a meticulously sterile environment, which is crucial for success. You will need either a spore syringe or a small tissue sample from a vibrant lion's mane mushroom. These initial cultures are then transferred onto nutrient-rich agar plates, allowing the delicate mycelium to begin its growth journey in a controlled setting. This first step lays the foundation for healthy mushroom development. After your agar plates show robust mycelial growth, the next step is to expand this culture onto sterilized grain spawn. Grains like rye, wheat, or millet work wonderfully, providing ample nutrition. You will inoculate these grains with your agar culture and allow the mycelium to fully colonize them, a process typically taking 2 to 3 weeks. Gently shaking the jars every few days helps ensure even colonization throughout the grain, preparing it for the next stage. Now, prepare your bulk substrate, which is often a blend of hardwood sawdust and nutritional supplements like bran. It is vital to either pasteurize or sterilize this substrate to eliminate any competing microorganisms. Once cooled, thoroughly mix your fully colonized grain spawn into the prepared substrate. A good starting ratio is typically 1 part grain spawn to about 5 parts substrate by weight, ensuring vigorous colonization and future fruiting. Finally, it is time to create the perfect environment for your lion's mane to fruit. This involves maintaining high humidity, ideally between 85 and 95%, along with consistent fresh air exchange and cooler temperatures, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Watch for the formation of tiny pins, which will grow into the recognizable mushroom. Harvest them when their unique teeth are fully elongated, gently twisting them off the substrate for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.